Paul was fitting his license to his bevel, I tried to convince him he needed the plate from Montana, the permanent plate. He doesn't see that the local PD would understand. I understand, it'd be okay with me, but I don't have to live here. Fixing to go for a nice ride to the rainforest today. I'll be riding a Laverda Jota. Candace will be on a Cowie. Should be a good day. Well, how do you like your first time riding on the left side?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's hard. We shouldn't have to put any more fuel in after this one. I'm not going that far. About 150k.
Yeah. Not in pain. Well, it hurts a little bit, but...
Poor Nana.
Paul, what you got there?
Ice.
What's it for?
Just for a bit of a bruise.
Bit of conundrum.
A bruise.
What happened there?
Bit of swelling here though.
I got a little owie.
And on that knee too.
Have you ever
These will keep that.
seen a little 8-year-old girl?
I'm going down the shop shortly to get a big bag of ice, so it's smaller. That should do the job without freezing your knee off.
Inquiring minds want to know what happened today on our fantastic ride into the rainforest.
Well, that's what happens when you take a girl with you. Sometimes she tips over.
You're on a heavy bike, notice? I don't know about that. Once it goes, there's no stopping them heavy bikes.
Yeah, we're going through Conundrum and I'm looking in the mirror going,
almost
Candace is
saved
so cool.
I've had a bike like that fall on me when I was washing it.
I almost saved it.
It was true. I pushed it off the thing and slipped over in the sides and wore it. GSA 50.
They're heavy mothers.
Oh yeah.
What happened to you though?
Well,
Were you really putting it on the center stand like Paul said?
No.
It's over on you?
I crashed it.
Straight up.
We got
It
to
was
come
my
this way.
fault.
The kangaroo came out.
I